Take command of the road in the 2015 Honda CR-V. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Honda prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, heated seats, front fog lights, and one-touch window functionality. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.